showing you guys a little summer hairdo. It's very simple, it's very quick, and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing that I did was part my hair. I'm going to be doing like a knotted half up, half down. And when I say it's simple, I mean it. It's very simple. So what I'm going to do first is take a section of hair that is just in the middle. I also straighten my hair, so you can curl your hair if you want, straighten it, not do anything, and the look will turn out just fine. So I'm just making a little ponytail here. So I'm just going to smooth out some of that. I don't mind things if they have like some bumps. Like if it's not perfect, it's okay, but I obviously don't want obnoxious bumps. So I'm going to grab these front sections of hair that I did not pull back. Normally I would pull back all of this hair. So on each side, I'm going to grab this hair and just kind of adjust this how you want it. I'm gonna loosen this in the back just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So I'm grabbing the hair. So I have my two sections of hair. I'm going to knot it right on top of that first knot. Pull the first ponytail up, and it will stay. Grab my elastic. Tie it under. Then I'll bring this down. I have this cool knot right on top. I'm gonna make it all look a little bit more messy. I want to make sure that these sides mesh well together. So I'm kind of loosening this up just a little bit, and that should be better. So that is it. I said it was simple. So from here you can kind of adjust, mess with whatever you want, bring some hair out, just kind of like loosen it. I like a pretty messy look. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have questions, just comment below and I'll get them answered for you. I used these clear elastics to put the hair in, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video.